Hello everyone, today's recipe is a very special recipe. It's called Panchmel daal ki khichdi. It is 5 lentils and rice porridge with beef. This dish is delicious, very traditional, has been passed down to us generations after generations. Try it, you're going to love it. It is delicious. It's very unique and hope you enjoy it. Step 1. Beef stew masala. In a pot, add 200 ml of oil. Add 2 onions sliced. Fry onions on high heat. Fry onions till they are golden brown. Whole dry spices. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 18 cloves, 4 star anise, 4 black cardamoms, 2 big cinnamon sticks, and 4 bay leaves. Add all whole dry spices. Stir and fry for about 10 to 15 seconds. Add 2 pounds of stewed beef, cubed. Fry for about 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Stir to mix. Add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Stir and fry for about 10 seconds. This gives the dish a beautiful color. Additional spices. 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, salt to taste, pinch of citric acid. Add all the spices. Stir and fry for about 30 seconds. Add 4 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, which is dheegi mirch. Bring it to boil, cover, and reduce heat to medium-low, and cook for about 45 minutes or till the meat is tender. Step 2. Lentils and rice. In a pot, boil 3/4 cup of chana dal and cook it halfway. Drain it and put it aside. Lentils. Half a cup of split black gram, which is mirch ki daal. Half a cup of split red gram, which is tur dal or arhar ki dal. Half a cup of split green gram, which is moong ki dal, and half a cup of red lentils, which is masoor ki dal. In a bowl, add 3 cups of rice. Add all the lentils and mix. Wash, drain, and put it aside. Once the beef is cooked, increase heat and cook till the oil is separated from the gravy. Reduce heat to medium-low and add cooked and drained chana dal. Add all the rice and lentils mix. Mix well. Add water, 1:2 ratio. Water should be 1.5 inch above the rice. Mix well. Taste the water with spoon, and if needed, add more salt. Bring it to boil. Cover and cook on medium-low heat. Once all the water has evaporated, cover with a cloth or paper towel, put the lid on and cook on very low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's done! Serve with chutney and fried onions with oil. Enjoy! Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!